Villa La Sirena hosted a group of 12 for a mid-June Boca Panga fishing trip. The California group reached the villa staff from the Boca Panga fishing website. The group gathered at the villa for coffee and pan dulce, also to get their Panga assignment, as well as their lunch and beverage cooler. Panga fishing was new for the beginners, also for the experienced fishermen. It's a great family outing, no experience necessary. The crews of each Panga provided English, Spanish language capability. The group consisted of numerous youngsters and ladies, so a half-day trip along the shoreline was selected. The map shows the catch locations for each Panga. Everyone enjoyed the experience and showed off their collective catch of 21 fish. Great for this time of year. Panga fishing is affordable, not crowded, and pangas are just steps from the villa. It's a unique experience, especially for the youngsters. The day ended with a special fishing t-shirt presentation at Boca Bait and Tackle for those who caught the biggest fish from each panga.